Have you ever wondered how BlastOne is able to guarantee the world's fastest tank turnarounds? Enter Performance 3, which combines superior abrasives, superior equipment, and superior know-how to boost productivity, safety, and efficiency on industrial blasting and painting jobs. The VertiDrive robotic blasting system is a standout example of superior equipment. It replaces or augments manual labor to tackle the most time-consuming parts of tank maintenance. Here are just some of the key benefits it can offer you. VertiDrive can blast on walls, floors, even upside down, at rates up to 840 square feet per hour. Projects that once needed 8 workers were completed with just 3. That's a 62% labor cut. VertiDrive maintains speed and precision, improving overall finish and reducing costly rework. With VertiDrive as part of the Performance 3 system, you're not just working smarter, you're slashing time, labor, and cost while increasing safety and quality. When you need your tank project completed faster, safer, and cleaner, you want BlastOne. To learn more about how Performance 3 can help you, log on to blastone.com/performance3 and get started today.